Yeah, I don't know. Should be able to switch it around. Cause on my end, I don't know. What's going on, guys? Now you can see it. Our BKC will be coming along with some of the Black Smoke Barbecue members. Oh, what? I didn't get it. I need to check that out. You know, no, that's it's a Heartland. Same one that Thyron got. Not the new one he has. The rotisserie. Trying to figure out. Anyway. Yep. So yeah, I'm just posted up right here. Trying to figure out why this camera I can't rotate it. Cause I don't know why the setup is like this. But anyway, I'm gonna see if I can work on this camera because I don't like it the long way. I like it the vertical. I mean, not the horizontal. I think that's one of them. You know what I mean? But yeah, who's all in here? I see we got about 5 people in here. Where y'all all tuning in from? You know, if y'all don't know me, I'm KC from Urban Culture Kitchen. I've been around for quite a long time. I just haven't been back on YouTube. Been busy, but shoot, got a stack of videos I need to put up on there. It's very soon because I got tons of footage. I mean, storage of a lot of stuff that I filmed and cooked and prepped. I've been traveling a lot, you know, taking care of stuff, taking care of my mother-in-law, you know what I'm saying? So I've been busy with that. Me and my wife are caretakers for her. And so been a lot going on, a lot of changes, you know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff I gotta handle. So, you know. But yep. What would you say? Detail Barbecue Fest at. Oh, really? You know, where? How can I find out the information about that? Because I want to look that up and see. Now, I need to. How far is Atlanta from? From me. I would just come in for the event. I ain't cooking nothing. I mean, unless they want me to cook on anything on a grill, but yeah, I wouldn't mind flying in. Just got to find out what everybody up to and what's it about, how long it's gonna be, stuff like that. So I didn't check it out and look it up. Event, right? Okay, I'm gonna check it out. I gotta find out. Hold on. I gotta see what's going on because I don't see no way to change this.